Welcome to the assembly instructions for your House of Party Rainbow Rush Arch. We will walk you through step by step how to make your creation, and as you follow along, you can pause the video between steps if needed. First, inflate all balloons to 10 inches. Make sure they are round, not pear-shaped. If a balloon looks long, gently release a little air until it's perfectly round. Then tie a secure knot. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Next, we'll create clusters of 4 balloons. Start by tying 2 balloons together at the ends. Tie another 2 balloons together to make a second pair. Then, twist the 2 pairs around each other to form a cluster of 4. Repeat this process and prepare all clusters according to the color combinations and quantities shown in the printed instructions. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Now, let's build the arch. First, tie the ribbon to a pole to keep it stable and make it easier to attach the clusters. Then tie the ribbon tightly around the center of the first cluster. Add the next cluster and wrap the ribbon around the center several times to secure it. Before wrapping, press each new cluster firmly against the previous one so the structure stays compact. It's very important to connect the clusters in the exact order shown in the printed instructions. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Now take the 2 balloons, fill them with water, and tie them securely. Attach one to each end of the arch for stability. Now carefully stand the arch upright. And that's it. Your balloon arch is ready.